The 2026 Kia ev6 GT, upgraded performance and futuristic tech. Kia has taken the ev6 GT, its flagship electric performance SUV, to the next level for 2026. Borrowing cutting-edge features from its sibling, the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, the updated ev6 GT boasts increased power, advanced tech, and a refreshed design. Here's what's new as the ev6 GT prepares to hit Australian showrooms in early 2025. Enhanced performance, more power, virtual gear shift. The 2026 ev6 GT now packs a punchier 448 kilowatts of power from its dual electric motors, up from 430 kilowatts, with torque unchanged at 740 nanometers. But activate GT mode, and those figures surge to 478 kilowatts and 770 nanometers for a thrilling performance boost. Virtual gear shift. A standout feature is the virtual gear shift, designed to simulate the sensation of traditional gear changes. Using simulated power cuts, torque adjustments, engine sound effects. This innovative system replicates the feel of a high-performance petrol engine with a dual-clutch transmission, offering drivers a unique connection to the driving experience. While official sprint times haven't been released, the outgoing ev6 GT and the Ioniq 5N both achieve 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds, hinting at similar performance. Improved range and handling. Kia has upgraded the ev6 GT's battery options, matching the Hyundai Ioniq 5N with 63 kWh standard battery, 84 kWh optional long-range battery. The new long-range battery allows the rear-wheel drive ev6 to cover 513 km on a single charge, a modest improvement over its predecessor. Chassis and steering upgrades. Kia has refined the ev6 GT's driving dynamics with improved steering response, courtesy of a new belt drive steering column. Reinforced chassis, to meet stricter safety standards. Ride and noise comfort, enhanced soundproofing materials to reduce wind and road noise. Revamped design, sharper and sleeker. The 2026 ev6 adopts Kia's refreshed design language with sharper LED headlights and daytime running lights. Redesigned front bumper and tail light graphics. These updates bring the ev6 in line with Kia's broader lineup while maintaining its distinct futuristic aesthetic. Cutting-edge interior and connectivity. Connected Car Navigation Cockpit, CCNC. The ev6 now features Kia's new CCNC system, which enables over-the-air, OTA, updates for seamless software improvements. Digital Key 2.0. With this technology, owners can use their smartphone to access the ev6 without holding the device physically. The key can also be shared with family or friends via text message. Comfort and convenience. Power-operated tilt and reach steering column, a premium touch for added adjustability. Upgraded cabin materials for a quieter, more luxurious ride. Australian release and pricing. The updated ev6 GT is set to launch in early 2025, alongside the rest of the refreshed ev6 lineup. While Australian pricing remains under wraps, expect details closer to the release date. The bottom line. With its enhanced performance, innovative tech, and refined design, the 2026 Kia ev6 GT is a compelling option for EV enthusiasts seeking power, practicality, and style. By integrating features from the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, Kia has positioned the ev6 GT as a standout performer in the electric SUV market. Stay tuned for more updates as the ev6 GT makes its way to Australian shores.